Welcome to my channel. Today we're tackling a common issue in Unreal Engine, that is light, emission light, or shadow flickering. Unlike other videos, we're focusing on a 100% solvable fix that's often overlooked. So we have different methods to solve this issue, and we also have a fix that is 100% solvate, and that will be discussed in the last step. As you can see, I have flickering in my scene. It is from both emission material source and light sources. So the first two methods are simple and quick to fix. First method is to set up the final gather quality and final gather lighting in post-process volume, values up to 3 to 30. Second method is not keep the light intensities and emissions too low. Step 1 is we now increase the intensity of lights in the scene. Here I will be increasing the emission from material and my rect light emission. Make sure to increase the values as same as I am doing. Step 2 is to set up the EV according to desired value. Step 3 is increase the directional light value. Another thing to do is to set the exposure values to manual and compensation at negative value in post-process volume. And there you have it. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can help my fellow Unreal Engine developers.